Have you ever felt like you're not getting the best results from AI tools like ChatGPT? You ask a question and the answer is just okay. Well, what if I told you the problem isn't the AI, but how you're asking? Welcome to Prompt Engineering 101, where you'll learn to talk to AI like a pro and get exactly what you want. First things first, what even is a prompt? Simply put, it's the instruction you give to an AI. And prompt engineering is the art of crafting that instruction perfectly. Think of it like this. If the AI is a genius chef, your prompt is the recipe. A vague recipe gives you a generic dish, but a detailed one gets you a gourmet meal. Let's start with the basics. The biggest mistake people make is being too vague. Instead of just saying write a story, try adding more detail. Who are the characters? What's the setting? What's the main conflict? The more specific you are, the better the AI can understand your vision. Let's try an example. Instead of write about a dog, how about this? Write a short, heartwarming story from the perspective of an old golden retriever named Buddy, who is waiting by the window for his favorite human, a little girl named Lily, to come home from her first day of school. See the difference? Suddenly, the AI has a character, a voice, a setting, and a goal. Next up, let's talk about giving the role. This is a game changer. Before you even state your request, tell the AI who it should be. For example, you could start your prompt with, act as an expert travel agent specializing in budget-friendly European tours. By giving it a role, you're setting the context and telling it what kind of expertise to draw from. Its responses will be more focused, detailed, and relevant. You could ask it to be a professional copywriter, a seasoned software developer, or even a motivational coach. This simple trick dramatically improves the quality of the output. Now, let's add another layer, providing examples. This is called few-shot prompting. If you want the AI to write in a specific style, give it a sample. For instance, if you want a poem in the style of Robert Frost, you could say, write a short poem about a winter morning in the style of Robert Frost. Here's an example of his style. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though. By showing the AI what you mean, you're guiding it much more effectively than just telling it. This works for everything from writing code to generating marketing slogans. Another powerful technique is to define the format you want. Don't just let the AI dump a wall of text on you. Tell it exactly how you want the information presented. You can ask for a bulleted list, a table with specific columns, a JSON object, or even a step-by-step guide. For example, I need a 7-day meal plan for a vegetarian diet. Please present it in a table with 3 columns: day, meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and key ingredients. This saves you so much time on reformatting and makes the information instantly usable. Finally, remember that prompt engineering is a conversation. Don't be afraid to refine and iterate. If the first response isn't quite right, don't give up. Tell the AI what you liked, what you didn't like, and how to improve it. You can say things like, that's a good start, but can you make the tone more playful? Or, can you expand on the second point and provide a real-world example? Treating the AI as a creative partner will unlock its full potential. So, to recap, be specific, assign a role, provide examples, define the format, and iterate. By mastering these 5 simple principles, you'll go from getting generic answers to co-creating amazing things with AI. You're no longer just a user. You're a prompt engineer. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips help you get more out of your AI tools. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what cool things you create with your new prompt engineering skills. See you in the next one.